Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm back with another grocery haul. This one's pretty big, so I thought I'd share with you. We went to two different stores. We went to Costco and then to Food Basics. I live in Canada, and Food Basics is a store that tends to have a bit better deals. Sometimes the produce is not the greatest, but at this time of the year I don't think there's much of good produce anywhere, but that's just my opinion. So I'm gonna start with Costco, and I'm just going to unpack it and show it to you, so there's no order grouping or anything like that. So I picked up Gain because they didn't have the one that I usually use, which is Persil. But I need a laundry detergent because I'm just about out, so I picked up Gain just because it's a pretty good deal. And then the lettuce in this will usually last us about a week and a half. And then I picked up cherry tomatoes. Needed some more toothbrushes, toothpaste, this bread. I usually eat this bread. It's not keto by any means, but it is lower carb. It's got 25 for 2 slices. Some blueberries. These were on a really good deal, and I don't know if you can see, they're giant. Brussels sprouts. Some Finish. Now this is keto friendly bread. This one has 1 gram of carbs for 1 slice. And eggs, and I also got this collapsible laundry basket, because if you saw my laundry room, it's not very big, so this is great for storing when I'm not using it. And I'm going to put this up and show you what's in that bin. So got milk, some of the granulated garlic, naan. This is like the best deal in town for naan. Planning on having Indian night next week. Peanut butter, the omega-3 fish oil. They have 20% off on all of these vitamins and supplements. Earthbound organic spring mix, the spinach, then I got kefir. I like drinking this, and if you are on Portion Fix or To Be Mindset, this counts as a protein. Then got some cream cheese, some cheddar cheese, floss, strawberries, butter, and then I got the nut bars. These are pretty tasty. They're high in fiber, low in sodium, and great source of iron. So this is from Food Basics, and I just wanted to let you know that we spent about $260 at Costco and about $110 at Food Basics. So I've got spring onion, some mixed peppers, jalapenos. I will be making some Super Bowl treats, so I need some stuff for that. So those are the jalapenos. I got Red Delicious apples, home style ranch, And then some baby carrots, and the Greek yogurt was on sale, so I picked up 2 of those because they expire on February 16th, so it should last us. We should eat it before that, I mean. And then I got some unbleached flour. I've got bananas, cantaloupes, cauliflower was on a great deal as well. I'm gonna have some lettuce wraps, so I picked up this lettuce. Cucumbers were expensive this week. More cauliflower was $1.88, same with cantaloupe. And then we got, not sure what happened here, zucchini. I think one of the zucchinis have broken. And then in here I've got the more for the Super Bowl treats is the tortilla chips, but it's the corn one. I got 2 bags of that. Then got Mindy Caesar, and we've been enjoying some treats. It's the, I don't know if you are familiar with the 3-ingredient oatmeal cookies. They don't have any sugar or flour. Let me know if you would like to see that recipe. I can share that with you. And then some bacon for my apps. And then Costco didn't have the magnesium, so I picked that up. And then more yogurt because it was on sale. And then 2 bottles of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce. And I think that's it. Oh, and I forgot to mention 2 things. So we also, did I mention these? I did mention these. But this water over here, this is just that flavored sparkling water that's got like 0 everything. So we got a case of it. We do love drinking this instead of pop. So I hope you enjoyed this quick haul video. Let me know what you think. How does it compare to your groceries? And let me know if you want to see that 3-ingredient oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I can share that with you if you are interested. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.